In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out securely from the left navigation menu. This is a quick but important process, especially if you're using a shared or public device and want to make sure your account stays protected. First, let's find the navigation bar. Look to the left side of your screen for a black vertical bar or a left-aligned menu. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your browser window so the full layout is visible. On smaller screens, the menu can collapse into icons or hide behind a menu button. If you notice a small hamburger icon, three stacked lines, or a chevron, click or hover over it to expand the full menu. You can also check your browser zoom level. Setting it to 100 makes the layout appear as intended. If the bar shows only icons, pausing your cursor over the bar may reveal labels. Keep your cursor along the left edge until the menu appears fully. Once you can see the menu, scroll down. The sign out option is typically placed at the very bottom, below your account or profile section. If the screen itself doesn't seem to move when you scroll, the menu might have its own internal scroll area. Hover your mouse inside the menu and use your mouse wheel or trackpad to scroll, or click within the menu and press the End key to jump to the bottom. On a touchpad, two-finger scrolling will work when your cursor is inside the menu. If you see a small scroll bar within the menu, that's a good sign you need to scroll there specifically. Take your time and move steadily all the way down until you see the sign out option. It might appear next to your profile picture or under account-related links. When you find sign out, click it to end your session securely. If a confirmation prompt appears, choose the option to proceed. Give the page a moment to refresh. You should be redirected to a login screen or a confirmation page indicating that you've signed out. As a best practice, save any work before signing out so you don't lose changes. If you're on a shared device, wait until you clearly see the login screen before leaving the computer, and consider closing the browser tab or window after you've signed out for added peace of mind. And that's it. Locate the left menu, scroll to the bottom, and click Sign Out to wrap up your session safely every time.